Hello everyone! Today, I'll guide you how to enable the CADmeister Cooperation Command in Microsoft Excel. If you follow correctly, the CADmeister ribbon will appear. If Excel has already installed on your computer, the Excel Interaction option is automatically selected during CADmeister setup. Now let me show you how it's done. First, open Microsoft Excel, then go to the Options menu from the File tab. When the pop-up menu appears, go to Trust Center, then click Trust Center Settings. Next, go to Add-ins, uncheck all the boxes, and click OK. Then, click the Add-ins tab above the Trust Center and go to the Manage bar below. From the drop-down, select COM Add-ins, then click Go. Check the box for CADmeister Excel Cooperation and click OK. Wait a moment for the CADmeister tab to appear. If it doesn't show up, restart the program. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.